I'm going to take this block of wood I made here and this pattern, and I'm going to make a 2-drawer box shaped like the letter E. Well, here we go with the E box. Got this blank made, got this pattern. I believe that's Times New Roman. I was looking for one that would have these areas like this where the drawer would not come out by itself, so I wouldn't have to do any of those little tabs to keep it in. And I've got an extra piece on the back that'll be the backing plate. I'll cut the outline all at once. I'll take the backing plate off, and then I'll cut the drawers. This should be a fairly quick job. I've got this little E, these E's for the drawer pulls. That's Cooper Black, I believe is the name of that font. I really like that font. It's a nice scroll saw font. So anyway, I'm going to use a Pegasus number 12 super skip tooth. Let me get it over the saw, and we'll start cutting it. Well, there is the finished product. It is the E box. You can see the E. There's the little drawers. It worked really well. I'm really pleased with this one. This one's fairly easy to make. It's easy to cut. I got it done mostly in a day. Of course, I had a lot of preparation as far as making the blank and getting the patterns ready. Anyway, that's going to be this next video in this series of alphabet boxes. If you like that, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, well, subscribe and see what I come up with. I'm changing the fonts around to get some different types of finished products. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.